Greetings, my friends. I would like to take this opportunity to introduce you the idea of working group on climate change and agricultural water management here in ICID. I'm the current chairman, Ray-Shyan, and I'm also the president of Chinese Taipei Committee on Irrigation and Drainage. This year 2021, there are several floodings and droughts happened in the world. The floods are in Germany, Belgium, Luxembourg, Japan, China in July, and the droughts are in United States, Turkey, Greece, Algeria, and also in Taiwan. So we witness the changing of rainfall patterns. Rainfall has increased in high latitude area, but decreased in the subtropics. The monsoon precipitation changes as well. If we look at the statistics, we see that water-related hazard has increased in frequency over the past 20 years. Since this century, the flood-related disaster has risen by 134% compared with the two previous decades. Most of the flood-related deaths and economic losses was recorded in Asia. On the other hand, the number and the duration of droughts also increased by 29% over this same period, with most drought-related deaths occurred in Africa. So we see the growing water-related stress. If we take a look on the newly released IPCC AR6 assessment report, it indicates that time is running out as extreme changes happen. The scientists warn that global warming of 2 degrees C will be exceeded during this century, unless a rapid and deep reduction in CO2 and other greenhouse gases occur in these coming decades. We know that COP26 are working on that. At 2 degrees C of global warming, the heat extremes are most likely to reach critical to threshold for agriculture and health. The impact on water cycle brings more rainfall and associated floodings, as well as more intensive drought in many regions. Therefore, my friends, we as scientists, scholars, engineers, politicians, management staff, field workers are most important in dealing with water change and their impact on agricultural water management. Because agriculture accounts for 70% of global water use and 30% of greenhouse gas emission. Therefore, the adaptation and enhancing the resilience and the water management systems, the priorities and the practice to the climate variabilities are very much important. So current tasks carried out by this working group for climate change and other working group in ICID families are focusing at least these 4 directions. Enhance weather forecasting and monitoring, applying improved water harvest and storage, supplementing the water requirement for rain-fed crops, adopting highly efficient irrigation systems and base water management practice. This working group, the Working Group for Climate Change and Agricultural Water Management, dedicates itself to mitigation and adaptation of agricultural water management to the changing climate. So currently we are preparing an important publication named A Guide to Innovative Irrigation and Drainage Management under the Changing Climate. The schedule for release is by the end of this year, but there might be a 2 years extension on the deadline. The contents will include case studies from 25 member countries, and also a successful practice and adaptation case studies to the change to the climate impact. Following the discussion of last meeting and suggested by President Ragab, I prepare the material to be published in the third quarter of ICID News. The title is about the emphasis on agricultural water management in the IPCC Climate Report 2021 and the role of the International Commission on Irrigation and Drainage. With the help of friends collecting data, I will be able to compile this information, and I already summarized those on the previous PowerPoint in this small talk. I welcome you to join our discussion in the future, and I also looking forward to count on you on your contribution to the publication of the guideline book. Thank you.